Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign out of your Kik Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik app on your phone. After you open the Kik app, you can see your profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on your profile. Then you can see your account. Go ahead and tap on your account and you can see the logout option. Go ahead and click logout and you will be logged out of your Kik Messenger app. Let me show this process to you once again. Open the Kik app on your phone. Now click on the profile which you see on the top right hand side and click on your account. After you click on your account, you will see logout. Go ahead and click on logout and click yes. After you click yes, you can see that you have now been logged out of your Kik Messenger app. I hope this video about how you can sign out of your Kik Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.